Third problem. Evaluate each of the following in terms of x and y. The values are given. These values represented in terms of x and y. But here, what is x, what is y? For value of log 3 to the base 2, for the value log 3 to the base 2, replace with x. For the value log 5 to the base 2 is replaced with y. Okay. 3 base 2 x, 5 base 2 is a y. Replace. How to do? This is simply logarithm of 7.5. Point is removed by 10 we will get. Okay. Now 5 table can be cancelled. 5 2s are 10, 5 15s are. Okay. Now logarithm of 15 by 2 to the base 2. Now this is log x by y formula. Then logarithm of x minus logarithm of y. Logarithm of x minus logarithm of y to the same base. 2, 2. Logarithm of 15 to the base 2. Division is there, minus logarithm of 2 to the base 2. Now, logarithm of 15. 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15 to the base 2. Minus logarithm of 2 to the base 2. Same value. Same values. The result is 1. Okay. Now, this can be expanded. Logarithm of 3 to the base 2. Into is there. That becomes a plus. Logarithm of 5 to the base 2 minus 1. Given that log 3 to the base 2 is x. Given log 3 to the base 2 plus logarithm of 5 to the base 2 value is y minus 1. These values are given. Okay. From given. These values are given. Okay. Like this we have to apply. Here which formula we have applied? Quotient rule. Logarithm of x by y to the base a, that it gives logarithm of x to the base a minus logarithm of y to the base a. Quotient rule formula we have applied in this. Okay. Now here product formula. Product formula we have applied. Logarithm of x into y to the base a, that it gives log x to the base a plus logarithm of y to the base a. Okay. We have applied a product rule. Here quotient rule we have applied. Like here given values are applied. Now go for the next. 60. 60 how can we write? 60. 2 3s are 6. 0. 2 30s are 60. 2 15s are 30. Next 3 5s are. So how can we write this is? 2 is a 2 times. 3 is 1 time. 5 is 1 time. So that logarithm of 2 square into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1 to the base 2. Now logarithm of x y z. Log x plus log y plus log z. Like that we have to write. Logarithm of 2 square to the base 2 plus first 2 square, next 3, next 5. Like that we have to split it. Logarithm of 2 square, multiplication becomes a plus. Logarithm of 3 to the base 2, multiplication becomes a plus. Logarithm of 5 to the base 2. Now, power comes front. Yes or no? Yes. 2 times of logarithm of 2 to the base 2 plus log 3 to the base 2 is given as x. Log 3 to the base 2. Log 3 to the base 2 is given as x. Plus log 5 to the base 2. Log 5 to the base 2 value is given as y. Now 2 into 2 as is. Logarithm of 2 base 2 value. Logarithm of 2 base 2 value. Logarithm of 2 base 2 value is 1. Logarithm of 2 base 2 value is 1 plus x plus y. Now first we have to write that variables. This is 2 plus 2 ones are 2 plus x plus y. Okay, this is the final answer. We can write first variables last as an equation, as a linear equation. in the polynomial process. X plus y plus 2. Like this we can solve the problems. This is the result of this question. Okay, this is the result of this question. Like this we have to solve the remaining problems. Okay, thank you.